So let's just say you have fair credit, okay? Because again, I'm going to show you how to use debt to make money, okay? Let's just say you have fair credit. You have a 680, okay? At a 680 credit score, your average interest rate on a vehicle is going to be anywhere from 9 to 11%. 9 to 11%. Now, because you want a lower payment, I'm pretty sure you're probably going to go from 72 to 84, and now they have 102 months. 10-year auto loans. It blew my mind. The car probably won't even make it 10 years. So the further out you extend that auto loan, let's just say you're at 12 to 14% interest rate on that auto loan, on a depreciating asset. This is why we have to learn economics. But I get it. Most of us are first generation that have access to this level of